In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove device verification from DocuSign. This process is straightforward and should take you just about 5 minutes to complete. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their login experience while maintaining the security of their DocuSign account. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. DocuSign is the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a vital tool for many professionals and organizations. Once you've reached the homepage, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the Login button. Click on this to proceed. After clicking Login, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Fill in your email and password to access your DocuSign account. If you're using two-factor authentication, make sure you have your mobile device handy to receive the authentication code. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to head over to your DocuSign home. This is where you can access various features and manage your documents efficiently. From the home page, you should look for the Profile section at the top right of the screen. By clicking on Profile, you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage the details of your account. Now that you're in your Profile section, you'll need to click on Manage Profile. This area allows you to customize and control different aspects of your user account in DocuSign. The next step in this process takes us to the Privacy and Security section. This can be found by looking through the options available in your Profile Management area. Clicking on Privacy and Security will bring up a new set of options focused on maintaining the security and privacy of your DocuSign account. In the Privacy and Security settings, you'll find an option labeled New Device Verification. This area is designed to enhance the security of your account by controlling how new devices are verified. By selecting this option, you can choose to manage or remove the device verification settings, allowing for a more straightforward login process without compromising on security. Remember, while removing device verification can make your login experience faster, it's crucial to consider the balance between convenience and security. This feature is designed to protect your account against unauthorized access, so think carefully about whether it suits your specific needs and security preferences.
You've successfully learned how to remove device verification from your DocuSign account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tutorials.